little weekend or daily dose of encouragement. Have you ever just worried about something or concerned about something or anxious about something that's going to happen the next week after this Friday? You get off work or you get out of school or you're figuring what you're going to do for the next week, and you've got something that's going on Monday and you're dreading. And like I said, you're worried or concerned or anxious or just all tensed up about it. Don't take time away from each hour, each minute, every single day until that happens. Don't take negative time, unsettling time away from each day of your precious life. Sometimes we worry about a family member. There's something that's going to happen in the next week. Say your little prayer, or meditate. Whatever you do to make you feel better, say that, and then just forget it. Yeah, it's easier said than done. I've been there, done that, and I do that. But you take precious time, precious, wonderful time away from your life for not when you need to just enjoy the moment. Enjoy the moment with that person you're with, those friends, that family, that special someone, Don't let the little stuff mess you up. I love you guys. I hope you have a great day and a happy day. Be kind, be kinder than they are, and don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And don't take precious time from each moment, each day away from yourself, and give yourself joy. I love you. I hope you have a great one. Until tomorrow. I love you.